Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. App for That coming at you with another hot video. In this video, I want to show you a neat app. It's called TaxCaster. TaxCaster, and it's by the guys over at TurboTax, I believe. Anyway, TaxCaster is a nice, neat little app that you can use to calculate your federal tax refund. So I've already kind of been playing around with it a little bit. As you can see here, I have a birthday down here. This is not my actual birthday. I mean, it's off by like a decade and it's not even the right month. But as you can see, I did input some information already. Just playing around with it. Do you have any children or dependents? I just put one child and one under the age of 16. All right. And then you go in here to this other side here, guys, and you do this your wages. All right, so let's just say you made 50,000. We're gonna switch this up a little bit. Look at that. Let's say you made 50,000 for the year. Tax withholdings. Let's say you had, I don't know, 3,500 withheld from that. I'm not sure, guys, how this works. Because I don't do W-2. I do the W-9. And here's your tax, your state withholdings. So you do that. Let's just say 2,000. Who knows? Let's see what happens. That doesn't change it. Okay. So, let's say that you are self-employed. Maybe, running a YouTube business or you Uber or Lyft or something like that. And you have expenses, maybe a cell phone and gas or, whatever. So, as you can see there, just put 2,500 tax breaks. All right. So, you can check some of these off as well if you've made any charitable donations or whatever, and then you review it, guys. Now I don't want to click the detailed information because it'll just show everything that we just did, and I don't think they'll show my information, but I don't want to show any but either my personal information. So anyway, that's about it for now, guys. I just wanted to show you this app. You still want to use the real, like TurboTax or have someone prepare your taxes for you. But this can give you a kind of a view or an insight on what it could possibly be. So that's it for right now, guys. Let me know how you're going to use this app. Let me know if it's going to be helpful or did it even come close to what you were thinking? All right. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Be sure to turn on those notifications so that you can get notified as soon as I post a new video. All right, guys, thanks, and I will catch you in the next video. See you soon.